What is up? So today I'm headed to Bon Chon in Allston to try their Korean fried chicken. I'm going to be grabbing the soy garlic and then their hot sauce one. So let's go. Check it out. So this is the Korean fried chicken. We got the soy garlic and then we got the hot ones. Check it out. These are double battered, hand brushed. So check it out. So these are the Korean fried chicken wings. So this is the spicy one and this is the soy garlic. Nice and crispy, sweet. Really dense, not too heavy like the normal American fried chicken. This is the spicy one. Nice and crunchy, moist. Hand brush. Chicken's really chewy, flaky. Delicious. So that's a wrap for this video. If you haven't tried Korean fried chicken, Bon Chon is definitely the spot to try it. It's crispy, not too heavy like regular fried chicken, flavorful, and really delicious. So if you're in Allston, give them a try. See you guys next time.